Alright guys, welcome back to another episode on our crazy Niagara trip series weekend thing. We decided to stop in at Deboss Garage to see Rich, these guys here. They are only a few days away from having to ship out the Quattro Deboss, which is the quad turbo, 4-wheel drive, Audi LS, anyways, the fucking nuts thing. So we wanted to give them a bit of a hand. We don't have a ton of time, but we figured we're in the area, might as well. But that is what today is giving Rich a hand with this car. How's it going? It's going, buddy. Just doing a quick walk around, and then I'm gonna get those seats out. Alright, so now that I finally got the seat brackets out, Randy's gonna weld in the seatbelt bar. Only took me fucking 20 minutes. But as you can see, this thing is pretty nuts in here. Turbo's right there. Just stunning. Given the task to go scavenge some bolts off of spare Audi. I think it's over here. Yep. Rich has got some really cool stuff at the shop. Old Nissan hard body. A couple of frames kicking around, some older cars, so I get to go and get I think this is what I'm supposed to get. That should be a good time. Lovely. All right, well, this is what it is. Okay, now I got those bolts out. Next thing is to get the little cover tray, wind rain tray or something like that. And this is all frozen in, so that'll be fun. Okay, so the piece that we're looking for, this little tray thing up here. This whole plastic section's got to come out. Looks like it's just kind of held in with these clips for now. So, oh yeah. Hopefully the whole fucking thing comes up like that. Oh, I got wash arms to take off. Damn it! More work than I thought. All right, rain tray off. And it's a little snowy, but came off pretty easy. One more job done. All right, so we're working out how to get this harness set up and where to put the submarine belt. So on these seats, they don't have the center slot. So they can go over like that. So Randy and I are just trying to figure out where to mount all that stuff. So the plan that we've come up with is we've got this seat bracket slider. We're going to take a piece of metal, basically have it slide in so it's parallel with this one, and then weld that in place with a nut on it. We bolt in that seatbelt bracket, and then build a plate here for that one. And Bob's your uncle.
Cut this,
yeah,
we'll square, and then we'll just have to pop a hole in there and fucking.
Would be easier to drill the hole first. This doesn't matter.
Really?
I'm overthinking it.
No, I don't know if there's a
drill press.
Or...
No, I think we're doing it by hand.
Yeah, we might have to do it by hand.
So
we'll need a 9/16.
9/16 drill bit?
Drill bit.
Got it. All right, so Randy's got that plate welded in. I think that might have been my only good idea for the day. Yeah. All right, well, Randy is working away on finishing the seatbelt brackets. Scott and I have been tasked with doing the supports for the splitter. We got one done already, so we're gonna do another one now. Now that we've figured out what we need to do, it'll be a little bit easier and it'll be a little more interesting for people watching, because the first bit was just us kind of fucking around. There's a useless.
We should post everybody's asses and see if they can name who's asses.
Mine's got a big scar on it, so it'll be super easy.
Second stills of ass cracks. The grass with this apple.
Sharp, yeah, we'll sharpen the edge.
It's pretty close already.
Yeah.
There
we go.
Rip around out there. She'll cut your field down.
Perfect. Oh, that makes it. Those turnbuckles just make that front end.
It's like really high.
I've got them cranked pretty good. Like I can.
Yeah, crank them on. Nothing concrete yet.
Nothing good.
So after a bunch of work, it looks like we're finally gonna get to fire the car up and get to hear it. I'm super stoked for that. Quad turbo, LS, Audi, just bonkers, absolutely bonkers. Have you heard it yet, Aaron?
What's that?
Have you heard it yet?
Yes.
No. Well, it's not fun. Fuel leak at the back?
Yeah, right here. Unless it's no, that's fuel leak.
Yeah.
Right on the fitting.
Just a fitting needs to be cranked down.
Which one? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, though. That sounds pretty sweet. I'm pretty happy with that.
What do you think?
Badass.
Needs more turbo noise, but I'm sure that's coming. Well, listening to the video, Rich?
Oh, we're like.
Let's say I just put him on the spot. You're like, do your job, come on.
No, it's actually we're not doing too bad. We're gonna come back in and block in the Lexan. Instead of blocking in the turbos, we're gonna let a little bit more airflow in. And we're gonna block in just the off the roll cage. We'll put a tab out for the seat belt, and then these will have a lot more airflow and let us keep a good eye on them too for leaks and stuff. And then we're waiting for a shifter, but we can drive it in first gear, I'm sure, to get on the trailer and then roll it off to get wrapped. Probably pick it up again. I don't know. We'll see.
Just do work on the inside while they're wrapping it. They love that.
Yeah. Please get out of my way.
Yeah.
Where's that? I should just tell them to come here and wrap it.
It's so dirty. That would be a terrible looking wrap. Yeah.
That would be cool because the effect is the wrap peeling off. So.
Oh, is that the?
Yeah.
That's
The
wicked.
big abstract Canadian flag. Imagine a Canadian flag blanketed over the car.
Cool.
And then the flag looks like it's
Tearing
underneath the
off.
skating rink, like skating marks and stuff.
Oh, dude, that's
and
wicked.
then it looks like there's black going over top, but the black's peeling off, exposing the flag underneath.
Oh, that's wicked.
I hope so.
Or it's gonna look like total dog shit.
Or it looks like total. We can play it off as a joke if it doesn't
There
work.
you go.
Like Street Speed, say, oh, that was a joke. Yeah. So,
All right, well, that's it for us. We gotta head out. We've got a crazy weekend in Niagara. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out Deboss Garage. We'll put a little fucking dealy thing up here. And check out Quattro Debaccio. I don't know how to say
and
it.
go check out the race on Ferretti. We'll be documenting the whole trip down to Florida.
Sweet vlog. Rich vlogs.
Do I?
You're
Yeah.
gonna have
We'll
to
start.
vlogging. Get used to this
vlogging.
position.
Yeah.
You're like, this is what I'm doing.
You're like the arm wrestler where the one arm is like beefy, like crazy.
That's how you tell a vlogger.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, thanks again for watching. We will catch you next time and hit the dealies and the stuff and things.
Yeah. Here we go.
Stuff and things. Here we go.